Hey, y'all. Welcome to the channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to Birthing Bosses with Felicia. I am Boss Lady Fee. Happy, miraculous Monday. I hope you guys are motivated on this Monday, doing what you need to do, guys. I know some of you are off work. For those of you that work a normal 9 to 5, I know you're off work and you're probably enjoying family. Maybe you kick back. Maybe you're making some gift baskets. But whatever you're doing, my prayer is that you're having an amazing day, guys. Welcome to the channel. For those that are new, if you are returning, you are still welcome, guys. Listen, I wanted to do a quick video with you guys today, okay? So the video that I wanted to do with you all today is about a gift basket that I actually did. And I showed this to you all if you were on my live a couple of days ago. I showed you me designing it, but I did not show me wrapping it up. So I want to show you what it looks like wrapped up, and then I want to bring in something to let you know that you might want to consider when doing your gift basket. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are back, guys. So what I wanted to tell you was this came out really nice. I think it came out really cute. But if you are new designing gift baskets, I want to bring in a little pointer that you may already be doing, or you may not be doing, or sometimes you're doing, sometimes you don't. So I want to show you what the difference of it is, and what the it is that I'm talking about is using backers for your basket, okay? And I know you're probably saying, what is a backer? I consider a backer either a picture frame in the back or either a piece of cardboard. And I have that on several of my videos showing me doing it and also demonstrating how to do it. Is just wrapping up a piece of cardboard in whatever kind of gift wrap you have, or whatever color will coordinate with the basket that you are designing, okay? So this particular basket, both of these baskets, let me bring the camera back down. Both of these baskets pretty much have the same thing. Not exactly the same, but pretty much the same in it. This particular one has a blanket. This one has a blanket. It has a handbag. This one has a handbag. It also has a mug, just a different mug. This one has a belt, and in exchange for the belt, I use these slipper socks, and I put a Bath and Body Works product in the front here, okay? So this actual one, well, both of them have this cute little flower arrangement sticking in, and I'm probably gonna lift this one up just a little bit, put a little bit more cushion under here, which is newspaper, what I normally use. Put a little bit in there so that I can raise that up just a tad bit, okay? You want to make sure that your items never get lost in the bottom of your basket, okay? So I need to put some more paper in here, or whatever it is that you use. Please, excuse me, guys, do not use shred to build your baskets, okay? Shred is just used to go in between the holes as fillers. They were never meant to be a stationary building block for your baskets, okay? You want to make sure that you have something sturdy under the bottom, whether it be another box or newspaper, some type of construction paper, some kind of paper that will keep your items sitting up so that they do not settle over time, okay? So what I want to show you is the difference in how it looks with the backer and without the backer, and why the backer would most of the time serve as an important element of the basket, okay? So when you look at this particular basket, right, it came out really nice, came out really professional, front to back, okay? When you turn it around in the back, you're able to see the handbag, but in the front, just looking at it from a glance, you're not able to see the handbag. Now, normally people lift up the bow or their favorite. What's inside of here, right? And although people are going to ask that regardless, you want to make sure that you keep your job as easy as possible. So what I mean by that, you're, and I'm speaking it by faith if you're not doing this, you are going to be so engulfed with catering to different customers that you're not going to have time to stop and answer for every customer what's in this basket. So at all costs possible, you want to make sure that your items are visible in your basket, okay? So what I could have done in this basket was added a backer, but I purposely did it this way so that you guys could see the difference. Like I said, although the basket is really nice, really professional, it's going to sell without a shadow of a doubt. But guys, you don't want people to have to be moving your bows and lifting your bows up and messing up the design of your gifts. They already going to do that enough when they pick it up. And oh my gosh, do y'all hate for people to pick up, even though they've already paid for it and it's theirs? Please do not pick my baskets up by the neck like that and ball it. Oh my God, that really burns my gravy. But anyway, y'all, you don't want people to have to do that, right? So you want to use a backer. When you use the backer, it gives the gift basket a sturdy, I haven't pinned nothing down as of yet. Not glue, but I haven't taped anything. You can glue down certain things, but of course I wouldn't be gluing this down, all right? But it serves as a foundation for your items to rest upon. And it also gives you a foundation to build upward, okay? So if you want to have like a towel down effect, you see how the picture, which is the backing, is the highest item. And then the items are coming down at each level, okay? So you start at the tallest and you build your way down so that you're able to see everything in this basket. So when I wrap this basket, because there is a taller item that I will be building my knot up here to put my bow on, it's then gonna give all of this right here visibility, okay? So in this basket where the handbag is not all that visible, where it really ain't visible at all, this one is gonna be absolutely visible, okay? It's gonna be absolutely visible. I'm gonna push this down just a little bit so that it don't stick up so high, okay? So here you are able to see everything that's in this basket hands down, all right? So I'm gonna wrap it, come back, show you guys what it looks like, the difference to have a backing and not have a backing. Stay tuned. Okay, so here is the completed look of both baskets. And as you can see, the one that has the backer, you are able to see the items much more clearly, guys. And it also looks like more money because it looks bigger and taller, but has the same thing. Get your money, honey, and fill your bag. To the next video. Bye, y'all.